So we all know that smart speakers are a thing, but what has recently become an even bigger thing is smart speakers with a screen. Amazon created their brand new Echo Show earlier this year, and Google responded with their Google Home Hub over here with Google Assistant. These are both smart displays, meaning they're smart speakers with a screen, but they couldn't be more different. They're just different animals. Let's take a look at what we mean. The biggest difference between these two devices is obviously the display. If you look at the Echo Show, it has a 10-inch screen, high definition, whereas the Google Home Hub, it has a smaller 7-inch screen. If you look at each device on the side, you'll see that the Echo Show takes up a much bigger footprint than the Google Home Hub. That makes this one probably more suited for a kitchen counter, and this Google Home Hub is really more versatile. You can put it anywhere. The fact that it doesn't have a camera will probably make you feel a little more comfortable putting it on a nightstand or even in the bathroom if you feel like you need to put one there. While the displays are different, they both have similar buttons. This has the mic on-off button and volume up-down, while this one has the same thing. Mic off, volume up-down right here. As you'd expect, the Amazon Echo Show comes with Amazon Alexa voice assistant, whereas the Google Home Hub comes with Google Assistant. So the Echo Show has a little drop-down menu here that gives you some additional options just to use the touchscreen in addition to your voice. So if I were to click lights and more, you'd see that I'd have the option of turning lights on and off automatically. The Google Home Hub has a similar feature. So if you don't want to call out to Google Assistant, you can go ahead and drop down the menu, take a look at what's happening with your thermostat or any other connected devices you have. So as you just saw and heard, the Echo Show has a bigger screen that's clearer and is much louder. The Google Home Hub, smaller screen, not as clear and much quieter. I should note that both of these were set to volume 8. Which should you buy? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you'd like something to put in your kitchen and watch some great cooking videos, the Echo Show's probably the way to go. The Google Home Hub, on the other hand, is smaller, more versatile, has better smart home control, and you can even connect it to your photos. So as you can see, I have a collage of photos from my Google Photos going on right now. The Amazon Echo Show is $230 and the Google Home Hub is $149, although you can find either of them on sale at any time. It's really up to you which might be better for your home.